Is this the beginning of India's biggest real estate cycle? 2 lakh rupees crore. Yes, you heard that correctly. India's listed real estate companies have sold properties worth almost 2 lakh rupees crore in just one financial year. But here's the bigger question. Is India witnessing the biggest real estate boom in decades? Or are we heading towards another property bubble? Why are companies like Godrej Properties, Prestige Estates, Lodha Developers, and DLF reporting record-breaking sales? Why are homebuyers paying premium prices despite higher interest rates? And most importantly, should investors buy real estate stocks now? Or has the rally already ended? Stay with me till the end because I'll reveal which companies dominated FY26, why housing demand continues to surprise exports, and whether this momentum can continue into FY27. Let's begin. The Indian real estate sector has delivered something extraordinary. According to the latest industry data, the country's 28 major listed real estate companies recorded combined pre-sales of nearly 1.95 lakh rupees crore during FY25. That represents approximately 17% growth over the previous financial year. This isn't just another annual growth figure. It reflects growing consumer confidence, stronger balance sheets, premium housing demand, and increasing trust in branded developers. For investors, this could be one of the most important structural trends in the Indian economy. What are pre-sales? Before we analyze the numbers, let's understand one important term. What exactly are pre-sales? Many people believe pre-sales mean completed sales. That is incorrect. Pre-sales or sales bookings represent the total value of homes booked by customers during a financial year. Revenue is recognized only as construction progresses in accordance with applicable accounting standards. Therefore, pre-sales indicate future business visibility rather than immediate revenue. Higher pre-sales generally suggest stronger future cash flows and improved project pipelines. The record-breaking numbers. Let's look at the leaders. Godrej Properties, approximately 34,171 crore rupees. Godrej once again became India's largest listed developer based on sales bookings. Prestige Estates, around 30,024 crore rupees, an extraordinary jump from the previous year, reflecting strong demand across multiple cities. Lodha Developers, approximately 20,530 crore rupees, another impressive performance driven by premium residential projects. Fourth, the DLF, around 20,143 crore rupees. Although slightly lower than the previous year, DLF remains one of India's strongest real estate brands. Fifth, Signature Global, approximately 8,250 crore rupees. The company continues to strengthen its presence in the affordable and mid-income housing segment. Together, these top 5 companies accounted for nearly 60% of the total pre-sales generated by the 28 listed real estate companies. That tells us one important story. Market leadership is becoming increasingly concentrated. Why are branded developers winning? 10 years ago, homebuyers often purchased properties from local developers. Today, the market has completely changed. Consumers increasingly prefer established listed developers. Why? Because they offer better financial strength, greater transparency, professional management, timely project execution, higher credibility, access to institutional funding, compliance with RERA. As a result, branded developers continue to gain market share. Why is demand still so strong? Now comes the most important question. Why are buyers still purchasing homes despite higher property prices? There are several reasons. First, higher disposable income. Second, growing demand for larger homes after the pandemic. Third, rapid urbanization. Fourth, improved infrastructure. Fifth, luxury housing has become one of the fastest growing segments. Many buyers now view premium real estate as both a lifestyle choice and an investment. What does this mean for investors? Should investors become excited? The answer is both yes and no. Positive factors include strong cash flows, healthy balance sheets, large project pipelines, growing market share, premium pricing power. However, investors should also monitor interest rate movements, construction costs, execution risks, government policies. Economic slowdown. Real estate remains a cyclical sector. Not every company will benefit equally. The bigger economic story. Real estate impacts more than just developers. Every new housing project creates demand for steel, cement, electrical equipment, paint, tiles, home furnishings, bank loans, insurance, employment infrastructure. A strong real estate cycle therefore supports multiple sectors across the economy. FY27 outlook. Can this momentum continue? Industry experts believe demand remains healthy, particularly for organized developers. However, growth may become more selective. Companies with strong execution, disciplined capital allocation, and premium brands are likely to outperform. Investors should therefore focus on quality rather than simply chasing rising stock prices. Key takeaways. India's listed real estate companies achieved nearly 2 lakh rupees crore in pre-sales. Godrej Properties retained the top position. The top 5 developers contributed nearly 60% of total sales. Branded developers continue to gain market share. Premium housing remains the strongest growth segment. The real estate sector appears structurally stronger than it was a decade ago. The Indian real estate story is no longer just about buying homes. It is about formalization, stronger governance, branded developers, and long-term economic growth. The coming years could redefine India's property market. The key question is not whether the sector will grow. The real question is, which listed real estate companies will emerge as the biggest winners? If you found this analysis valuable, like this video, subscribe to channel. Comment below. Which real estate stock do you believe has the strongest long-term potential? Godrej Properties, Prestige Estates, Lodha Developers, DLF, or another company? Asterisk, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.